Hey, silly sea snails!
I'm silly.
I'm Coach Kaitlin. Welcome back! Today, we're going to be practicing our kicking and trying out some new toys and equipment. If you missed our last video, go back and watch it and then come practice with us. You can practice with us in the pool, in the bath, or even on a pillow. Always ask your adult for permission before being around or getting into any water. Never be around water alone. Do you remember what we learned? Let's review. Do you remember what we call these legs? That's right.
Floaty legs, floaty legs, floaty legs.
Do we kick with long legs or bendy legs? You got it! Long legs! Do we kick with floppy feet or stiff feet? Yes! We kick with floppy feet!
Floppy feet, floppy feet.
Floppy feet make you so fast. You did awesome! Let's go practice. Great job kicking at the top of the water. Whoa, look at those long legs. Those feet are so floppy. Great job. Let's try some equipment. None of this equipment is made to keep you safe. This equipment shouldn't be used for non-swimmers without an adult. What should we try first?
The noodle! The noodle, the noodle.
Let's try it. There are lots of ways to use the noodle. You can lay on it, put it under your armpits, or hold it with your hands. You can even ride it. What should we pick next?
Swim bar, the swim bar. The swim bar. The swim bar, swim bar, the swim bar, swim bar.
The swim bar is awesome. It's not super comfortable to lay on, so we just hold it with our hands. Make sure to keep your arms nice and long. You'll see it again when we learn how to use our arms to help us swim. What should we pick next?
The kickboard, the kickboard, the kickboard, the kickboard, the kickboard, the kickboard, the kickboard.
The kickboard. This one is the trickiest.
What's so tricky about this one?
Because this one makes you wobble, wobble, wobble. The kickboard is so great for practicing kicks, but it can be a little tricky to use.
Walking and pushing down is it's the wrong way.
Make sure not to push down on it with your hands. Let it hold you up.
I'm getting it.
Try keeping your arms as long as you can and keep your shoulders under the water. That was awesome!
That was great.
Game time! We call this game Stop, Go. When I say go, you kick your fastest. When I say stop, freeze like a statue. Let's try it.
Let's do this practice.
All right, are you ready?
Yes.
On your mark, get set, go! Stop! Go! Stop! go.
That was great! We should catch some toys.
Fun! Let's lay them out on the stairs.
I love it! What do we use first?
Which toys would you pick?
I feel like I want to pick these guys.
On your mark, get set, go! Woohoo! You caught one! The two blue ones!
Yes.
I'll guess blue this time. I'm gonna guess that you caught the blue ones. Yellow! Oh no! Let's catch the rest of them.
Good idea. Good idea. Good idea.
That was awesome! Thanks for joining us! Come back next time to learn how to make these floating hoops with us. See you